What is gene family? A set of genes descended by duplication and variation from a common single ancestor is called a gene family. Now give an example. Now take an example. The gene responsible for hemoglobin protein synthesis and the gene responsible for myoglobin protein synthesis. So these two genes are belongs to the same gene family, that is the globin proteins. Okay, if we take the name the globin proteins gene, now we call them, instead of a family, we call them as a super family, because the globin, whatever the gene make the different type of a globin proteins, they are belongs to this super gene families. Like this, the genes those make the similar proteins, we are collectively call them as a gene families. Like as we know, hemoglobin and myoglobin, what their function? To hold or carry the oxygen. In case of a hemoglobin, that is present in the RBC and they carry oxygen from the lung to the peripheral tissue. And the myoglobin, they actually absorb the oxygen that is carried by the hemoglobin, and after absorption sometimes they store the oxygen, and whenever they need the tissue, they diffused, or by diffusing they actually deliver the oxygen to each and every cell of the muscle. So both of the proteins more or less have the same function, and they are synthesized, or they produced from the gene families, that is from the gene that is belongs to the same gene families. So this was the definition and the example of the gene families.